Assalamualaikum. I am Muhammad Rohan Tanveer. Dear friends, today we will study time. Let's start. The time from when the sun rises till the sun sets is called a day, but the full day lasts from midnight of one day to the next midnight following the day, 24 hours. Here are some words which tell us about different times of the day. Dawn, very early in the morning. Morning, the first part of the morning of the day. Third है midday or noon. The middle of the day when the sun is directly overhead. Afternoon, the time after the middle of the day. Evening, the end of the day. The end of the day when it begins to get dark. Night, when it is completely dark. Do you know? 60 minutes, 1 hour, 60 seconds make 1 minute, 7 days, 1 week, 52 weeks, 1 year, 12 months, 1 year. Thanks.